Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 18 Hurricane Way here in Woodley. So what we have here is a 2-bedroom end of terraced with a garage on side, and also you'll notice the driveway providing additional parking. In fact, there is parking for 2 more vehicles, which I'll show you in just a second. So just focusing on the front garden first of all, as you can see, nicely landscaped. Driveway parking for at least 2 vehicles, and of course then there's the garage as well. So let me just take you round the corner here, because this property also benefits from 2 allocated spaces in this very small sort of parking area here, which in fact is just for number 18 and number 16. So basically where the 2 cars are parked there, that's additional parking for this property. So all in all, parking for at least 4 cars plus the garage, that makes 5 cars, which is unusual for a 2-bedroomed house. Just going to show you the location. So Hurricane Way is here, one way, and then just turning on the left there is giving you access to Tesco's Express and other shops. So that's the outside, or the frontage at least, for this property. Let me take you inside now. So before I take you through the front door, just to show you, we have a canopied entrance porch and also a very useful outside storage cupboard there. The entrance hall, you'll notice rather nice flooring. There's a staircase taking you to the first floor, and then a door to my left taking you into the lounge. I am just going to spin round and just show you the entrance hall from here, because the front door has been replaced, double glazed sealed unit front door there. So now the actual lounge. This particular style of bright built house was called the Elton Cottage from new. The reason for that is that it does have a sort of cottagey feel. You'll notice the ceiling, and also we have a sort of bay window here, a sort of squared bay window. The windows are UPVC double glazed sealed units, and as you'll see when we go around this property, very nicely presented. Flooring's good quality as well. So in the corner of the lounge on the right hand side, we have an understairs storage cupboard just behind that door there. This door takes you into the kitchen. Let me just spin round and show you the view of the lounge from this angle. And let me now turn around and show you the kitchen. So this is a kitchen diner. It has been refitted, which you'll see straight away. We have quite nice modern units. On my right hand side just here is a built-in fridge freezer. You'll notice we have a built-in oven with 4-ringed hob there. There is a hood above. And sink unit with the swan neck mixer tap just under the window there. Eye level units just here. And I'm going to point out this one here, because this is where the gas-fired boiler lives. It's a Worcester Bosch boiler. And just pointing downwards, we have an integrated washing machine there. And then just spinning round to my left, plenty of space for the dining table, and a door taking you into the rear garden. I'm just going to point out the flooring, because we have a very nice tiled floor as well. I will show you the garden after showing you the upstairs, but I'm just going to give you an idea of the view from here. Very nice garden. To my left hand side, you can't see it in the image here, but there's a door here taking you directly into the garage. One final view of the kitchen before I take you upstairs and show you the bedrooms and the bathroom. Starting the first floor with the landing, you can see the staircase there taking you down into the entrance hall. I'm just going to point upwards because we have an access to the loft space, good for storage, with a drop-down loft ladder as well. And on my right hand side just here, this is the airing cupboard. So first of all, the main bedroom. This is the one at the front here. As you can see, we've got a double bed in situ there. I'm going to step into the room actually and turn around because I'd like to just point out the built-in double wardrobe just over there. And then if I spin round, you can see plenty of space towards the other end of the bedroom there for furniture. Okay, so that's the main bedroom. Now into the second bedroom. Now, worth me pointing out here, with this particular design of property, as I said, it's the Elton Cottage design that Brighton Homes originally built. This has a particularly good sized second bedroom, plenty of space for a double bed. Now, if I just step into the room, I'm just going to pan around to the right. You can see we've got a full sort of desk, full length here. If this were used as a bedroom, then plenty of space for the double bed against that wall, or indeed the wall over there. So it's a rear aspect, again double glazed sill unit window. You can see the radiator under the window, and also a wood effect laminate flooring, which is very much the same as the main bedroom. So that's the second bedroom, and then the bathroom to finish the first floor. As you can see, a nice white suite. There is a wash basin, pedestal wash basin with a vanity covered under. The low level WC, tiled walls. You'll notice we have an electric shower unit there above the bath. There's a rear aspect window, and I just want to point out another nice touch, which is the flooring. So that's the inside of the house. Let me now take you to the rear garden and also the garage. Through the kitchen diner door into the garden. Let's first of all point out the patio here, joining the rear of the house. And we have the lawn, small pond there. Little timber store on the right hand side. It's wooden panel fence around to the rear and right. As you'll notice, then we have the brick wall here. And then if I spin round here, we have a door taking you straight into the garage. Let's just show you the garage. Good sized garage. You'll see there is a car in fact in here at the moment under the cover, but yeah, really good sized garage. Pitch tiled roof, lots of storage space up there, lighting and power. So that just about brings us to the end of the tour of this property. If you'd like to know any more information, then please do give us a call. My name is Gary. Telephone number on the website. Alternatively, it's the same number if you would like to arrange a viewing appointment. And thanks for watching.